The Acer ConceptD series are notebooks designed with content creators, artists, and designers in mind. And the ConceptD line just got cheaper and more powerful with the introduction of the ConceptD 3 Pro with its NVIDIA Quadro graphics. But is it worth the buy? In this video, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Acer ConceptD 3 Pro. We'll be going over key features, who this product is for, and how it compares to the competition. Is it truly worth your hard-earned money? Stay tuned and let's dive into the video to find out. The Acer ConceptD 3 Pro is a laptop that is built for creatives and is marketed by Acer as the creator's companion with prices starting at just under $1,700. Now you must be wondering, how does the ConceptD 3 Pro target creative professionals? Well, for starters, it's the 15.6-inch 1080p panel that is Pantone validated and covers 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, and the display has a maximum brightness of 300 nits. We must say the color accuracy and sharpness is truly amazing. The display has been tested and calibrated to achieve a low delta E average of less than 2 to reproduce true-to-life color accuracy. We were able to fine-tune images with professional precision. We would most definitely recommend this laptop for high-end graphics, design, photo, and any video editing work that requires attention to color accuracy. One complaint that we feel is an oversight on Acer's part is that the screen has a modest 1920 by 1080 resolution. This seems like a bit of a limitation for a laptop that's clearly designed for professional-level graphics and design work. However, when we consider the power of this workhorse, the limitations of the display resolution can be overlooked. The ConceptD 3 Pro's 6-core i7 processor, 32GB of RAM, and 512 NVMe SSD is more than respectable and outshines many, but you'll be especially blown away with the performance of the incredible Quadro T1000 graphics card. It puts the ConceptD 3 Pro out of reach of all other laptops in its class, including the 15-inch MacBook Pro. With this internal powerhouse combination, the Acer ConceptD 3 Pro can take complex CAD, animations, and simulations and edit them in real time, and you'll be able to create them without compromise. As for the exterior, you'll love this timeless look. Although it has a rather conventional and durable design, the standout is that its sturdy aluminum metal body has a micro-arc oxidized finish that creates a papery ceramic texture that makes it feel very unique to the touch. The ConceptD 3 Pro is also available in both black and white. While both paint jobs look quite attractive, fingerprints and smudges seem to be more noticeable on the black exterior. So if you prefer a cleaner look, you would be better to opt for the white version. The ConceptD 3 Pro appears to be quite durable, and we found no flex whatsoever in the keyboard region. It has a conventional keyboard which is pleasant enough to type on, and the warm amber backlighting gives a nice subtle glow. We were really impressed with how well the trackpad works. This is an area where many laptops fail, but we found that the ConceptD 3 Pro performs pretty close to the coveted trackpad of the MacBook Pro. Additional perks we like is the fingerprint sensor feature that allows for quick authentication via Windows Hello. Plus, there is a good assortment of ports, which includes 2 USB Type-A sockets, a Type-C port, an HDMI port, an Ethernet port, and a lock port on the left spine, and a 3.5mm audio port, one more Type-A port, and a charging socket on the right. Unlike many other laptops these days, it's refreshing to see the Acer ConceptD 3 Pro ships with barely any bloatware pre-installed. You get the ConceptD palette, which acts as a one-stop gateway to take stock of the system's utilization and allows you to customize and control the CPU and GPU outputs, as well as changing color gamut, among other things. We were also quite impressed to see and hear that the ConceptD 3 Pro runs cool and quiet, even when tackling the most demanding graphics tests. Battery life is on par with others and not exceptional. You could expect to get between 6 to 10 hours on average, depending on the heaviness of the processing workload. To extend the battery life, you could also switch between the discrete T1000 GPU and the integrated UHD Graphics 630 on its Core i7 processor, which will come in handy if you're on the go and trying to squeeze out a little extra battery life. The ConceptD 3 Pro is slightly on the heavier side and weighs about 5.25 pounds, but with that said, overall, we found it very portable enough to be carried around in a backpack. Bottom line, the exceptional performance and amazing specs under the hood, we feel the Acer ConceptD 3 Pro is one of the best values on the market for creatives. Despite the limitations of its screen resolution and slightly heavier design and average battery life, we feel the ConceptD 3 Pro successfully proves itself as a creator's companion and has upped the game on its competitors. That's all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and like the video, consider subscribing. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing. Till next time, hope you all have a great day.